for today's video, guys. Check out our delicious food. Oh my gosh, thank you Lord for all this food. And so say this is the native chicken soup. And look at this, more chicken soup. And this is milkfish cooked by the chef, professional chef. And then more chicken soup. And that's the suman from earlier.
Wow.
That's our food. Wow, very exciting.
Very excited.
Yes, it's
Very
time
hungry.
to eat, guys. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat,
Yeah.
Let's eat.
Kaon siya itlog
Kain
gagamay.
itlog gamay Maylin.
You're eating eggs, huh?
Dire.
There's let's eat, guys. Here's our mom. Oh my gosh. Where's my plate? Asa mo nakuha? Ha? Itagaan ako ninyo.
Ano
What?
Maylin no? Oh,
Kani ako ni?
Ikaw
Oh my
na.
gosh.
Special.
Wow, special. I'm VIP here whenever I come here. VIP. Thank you, guys.
Let's eat, guys. Very good.
Let's eat, everybody. Look at the milkfish, guys. Very good.
Gamay ra kayo.
Sausawan. So, guys, the jungle people. There's nothing for us to do. We were doing a lot of chika-chika, and now we're planning to go out there in the jungle. Yeah, in the jungle, guys, because we're gonna pick some snack and we're gonna pick some ferns for dinner. And Samilin wants to come with us. Yay! Let's go, guys! So, where are we gonna go? I don't know where to go. Here's our leader here, tour guide. Our tour guide.
Kaprak ko na.
No.
Ate si Uncle. Wait, nakasot ng kaprak no vlog.
Oh, wow.
Napog ko.
Yeah, see, they have a t-shirt, guys. Kaprakno. Pakita
Naapog
ka.
ko.
Kaprakno
Napog
vlog.
ko, ante.
You have one also?
Yes.
Oh, there used to be pigs here, guys, but our parents sold it. Uy, asang tagi diri ni? Ay, be careful with this coconut. Okay, naarabay lahing. Abago pa na ni?
Kita ko sa video ko, after ng gulay yung ano.
We're going in the jungle, guys.
Ayun saan? Fish pa ni.
We're going to pick some wild food.
We are in the jungle.
Yeah, see, Samilin said we are in the jungle. Yes, we are.
We're gonna find
Find what? What are we gonna find?
foods.
Food? And Roderick there, our tour guide. He knows this jungle well. Bago pa rin nag-harbisan ng lube? Uy! Walay hinog? No ripe ones? Ay,
Ay naagi di ay.
these are some wild fruit, guys.
Kinira po do, salin pa ba oh.
Uy, what is that?
Wa na sud.
Uy, ayun na.
Dara.
Uy, look at this, guys. Tagay kong isali kay ako rin abring. Si Roderick is eating.
Usa na.
Tagay ko.
Usa na.
Samilin, don't even know you live in the jungle and we're picking some wild fruit. This is food for the monkey.
Joy.
Ay, this one. Wala man ni sulod lig. There's nothing. Ini.
Ubahan na po. Ah, may labod sa sulod eh.
Labod.
Kini.
Hatag ang kulodong.
Okay, hold it well. See, guys.
Sali naman ng Arwin ba ya. Dabong arangan kapag ari namang Arwin.
Oh,
Usa na.
Karon pag
Sa pangalan na.
katagbak.
Ha?
tasyon mo ha.
Look at this,
Laway
guys.
daw.
Ay katulog pista do. Pista og
So sweet, so good.
Hatag be.
Now, Samilin want one.
Marisa.
We never had it before.
Grabe kanina lang gibunga mo. Isa din diri nang kinuhaan mo ng mga Arwin yo.
Sige,
Gihurot.
try it, Samilin, see if you like it.
Yes.
You would love it.
Mauro gyud po na dai Arwin
Pero
ba
nga
no?
paing kanang hugaw dirt. Sige daw.
Labong mo doon.
Feel it well.
Matuon mo na Marisa.
How is it? You like it? You don't like it? Why you don't like it? It's very good. Murag pinya man eh. It's like pineapple.
Tamis mo Marisa. Paniti ba imo ha?
Nami man na mura manig pinya.
Kaon naging ano?
No.
Dito.
Ako gani oh. Di kana
Oh,
imo.
here. There's Maribin and Roald. Oh, that's what it looks like, guys. Your nail leg. Sa man yung kuko leg.
Nahugaw lagi.
Okay. Very good. I'm gonna peel
Paniti
one.
mo ha.
A little bit sour and a little bit sweet.
Lami.
Prutas mo.
I told you it's good.
Marisa.
Hmm?
Prutas mo gyapon gid ni. No?
Pilian lang. See guys, if you want some flowers to home decoration, this is very good. Very good flowers. This anahaw. Very good plant. Maybe I will take this home. No. But this is very good, guys. You put it in a pot and they look so good when they grow big. But it's just wild. Ay, Maribin picking some ferns. We have to go to another area. They're gonna tell us we're stealing again. Some of the Dali, there's a million. Last time I went to another place, they told me, oh my god, why did you steal? The people, the owner of that place we went to, we know them. And then every morning he goes to our parents' house and he always have coffee and always say that, oh, whenever you guys go there, just pick coconut or whatever. It's okay for him. But then some people, I forgot to explain. Oh, some viewers thought that we were stealing all kinds of stuff from their land.
This is free.
This is free, guys, because it's wild. The ferns, except the coconut, you know, but it's okay. It's not like we harvested the entire coconut trees. We just got a couple of them. Samilin, you need to help pick some ferns.
No.
Why?
Uy, asan naman ta?
Why?
Ito nga ang gusta.
We're picking some ferns.
Katungtang ano, daguhan.
We need to go there. Ayan lang, kaigang. Very, very jungle here, guys. You can tell somebody pick some ferns too because see.
Mura gud ang tinudrita nagpuyo na.
Oh. Oh, there's a path in here. Ha? Asa man?
Dito na dito si Marisa ba? Ayun ang adre.
Ah, there's a lot in here. Oh yeah.
Poko.
I hope there's no snakes in here. We keep roaming. Roaming around in this.
Ang pagdating diriya day mo kitugboy imong kanday.
Ha? Kani makaon pa nino?
Ay, ang pagdating diriya tato na natin ang pagdating na.
Ano makaon pa man.
Watch out for the snake. Very thick bushes here.
Ay, ang pagdating diriya tato ang pagdating na natugboy ang kanding na. Pagdating.
Very scary, the bushes. Samilin wearing boots though. That's good, Samilin. You need to wear
Called red.
yeah, red boots. Here. This is so good vegetables, guys, because no spray on them, just pure organic. Wild and organic.
Ada konti unsay porma sa
Bako? Do you know how to pick fern, Samilin?
Dirita.
Samilin. Pick fern. Uy, ikaw kag, wala ba ka nagsuot og kuan? Butas.
Ayun na.
Ayaw ng kuan? This one here.
Napao, garaw.
This
Sa
one.
wala ko sa murag isprihan ba? Nga na mo tong udlot. Asa pud ani.
They just harvested the rice field in here.
Diyan aso ba ta kay ano? Parang kangga.
Asa man tamad to de?
Kaya hindi ta malapit.
I don't know where's Maribin. Oh, they burn this. They're burning this in here to clean up. Asa sa bunggo? See, they're burning here in the side. Kamilin, what you got? Uy, bago. May na natay sudan. We can have ferns for dinner. Yeah, maybe there's a lot of frogs here at night now that, see, there's a water in them. I don't know where Roderick is gonna take us. Go! Maribin. Because she's very slow. Go, dali na dire. The tour guide here is forcing us to go to that place there. He's the one who said like, yeah, come here, there's a lot of ferns here. We need to wait for Maribin. There she is. Far behind. I guess his goats, he put it there where there are a lot of weeds. Nako dito kag. Samilin, why did you return? She didn't go all the way there with her uncle Roderick. There's Maribin.
Ante,
Ha?
yan mga to ng iyang isog kayo nga kanding.
Oh,
Tong brown.
see how much ferns she got.
Dili ami ato.
Ang hagdaw mo?
Ay,
Yeah.
dito sa pipa.
Asa?
Punaan pa na ako.
So we gather all the ferns we got. Oh. Wow.
Ay, sayang una.
Oh, Samilin is picking the leftover rice. What you gonna
Butang na sa manok.
What you gonna do with it? Feed it to the chicken? Is the when they harvest the rice field, guys, there's leftover. You can pick them for
That's what we do when we are.
yeah, when somebody harvest the rice field, you can there's some leftover little bit like this.
Like
Kani oh.
waste.
Yeah, so it won't go to waste. Kani oh.
Hihag daw em kay
Kani.
ito tigunit oh. Ani, kay atong ilaw sa manok.
This is normal, guys. People do this in your rice field. Other people can do it, and at our parents' rice field, other people do it also. See, this would just go to waste anyway if you don't pick them. So
Ante, manghagdaw
it's okay.
Hagdaw.
Hagdaw, we call it
Ante,
hagdaw.
hagdaw ta.
Yeah, they're gonna use it to feed the chicken or ducks. I don't know. Roderick went all the way there.
Ilawa.
So guys, I guess we're gonna continue walking there at least halfway. Maybe we can find more wild snack here.
kaon.
Ha?
Kani mo unsa may klase nga kuno awa mura grapes. Amro si.
Ay, na grapes. So maybe it's a wild grape. Maybe it's a wild grapes. Yeah, say mo sa Samilin.
Coffee grapes.
Samilin said that it's grapes. This. I wonder if you can eat this.
Tara, oh, napajud, oh. Hilaw.
Ha?
May hilaw.
Can you eat this?
Yes.
Ay
Yes.
Dili na makaon sa langgam na.
I wonder, maybe you can. Ay, that's unripe one.
Uy, agyamigas na ka.
Napahilaw.
Way hinog ang bayabas.
Tilawi daw Samilin.
Na-squeeze.
Try it.
Squeeze.
Is this poisonous?
Strawberry.
I don't even know if this is edible anyway. There's a lot of bugs in here. Ants, bugs.
Ano, tumira, oh.
Tilawi daw, ante.
Ha?
Tilawi daw.
Iyo, pahilo na. Iya ba?
Kahit? Hapla?
Sour and I don't think it's edible. We don't even know what kind of wild fruit is this. Look at Nangawas. Look at this.
No?
Juice? No. No.
Berries.
Huh? Wild berry. Tama ni. There's guava here but it's not ripe. Wala pa yung kuan basing. Samilin, do you know how? Sige daw. Sige daw.
Ka daw.
Ako be. I'll show you how. See, that's the kind of bird that Dennis likes to listen. Ganahan si Dinsyo na.
Ka daw.
No? Ay, kukuk dero. Natoy ka ng langgam kag mga ganahan si Dinsyo maminaw. I was not gonna walk in here and see? Ay, saba ba? Yeah. There. We're walking very far. Unsa maning kuanan ni maupo ni didto.
Gusto mo munta na ba?
Di man na maunsa.
Manu ug baki, oh.
Kano sa? Maribin said that we should catch some frogs when?
Later.
Uy, unsa na ining kuan diri nga mo ni pandan?
Okay, no?
Yeah, it smells so good.
Ano ang tahan ni?
Can you put it on the rice? Oh, really? Yeah, this is very good.
Mga
See, ay saba. Yeah, that's the bird that Dennis listens. Yeah, this is very good, guys, to put on the rice. This is wild. Wild, ni? Yeah, it's wild. A bunch of them. Because we're waiting for that. Oh. We're waiting. It smells so good, this stuff. You know, you put this on the rice and your rice smells so good. Maribin is picking some. Maybe you can put that on the rice tonight, huh? Yeah, Maribin's gonna put some on the rice. Uy, look at this very beautiful, colorful, wild flowers. That's wild, guys. Oh, very nice.
Mga na sa pa.
Daghan lagi buko ano ngani no sa udlot ang gikuha. Maribin just pick the top. It's very good, guys. She's gonna put it on the rice tonight. Where's Roderick and where's his goats now? I just look away for 30 seconds and all the goats were gone.
Asa may tantul kag?
Look at this, guys. I think the birds ate them. Uy, saan itong hagbo? Dahat para taman na lolo, no?
Kanang na.
See, our grandparents land from there, all the way there, until on the other side of the rice field. Because our grandparents, they didn't make their land a rice field. The siblings decided not to, which is good. Because it's gonna be so hot if they make it a rice field. So they leave the coconuts there, and good thing the coconuts are expensive now. What is this here?
Fish pond.
Fish pond.
Yatol.
Nagkabaw.
Naman lagi lang doon. I'm tired of walking.
Sa unag. Tabanog.
Huh? Oh yeah. This is where they fly their kites, big kites during summer. Maybe they're gonna do it again this summer. Ay, the goats are here. Sibog sa milin. Can you jump that far? She didn't even jump. Can I jump from here to there?
Okay.
Oh, niti oh. Can I jump?
Yes. You can do it. You can do it, ante.
Agu, ante.
Sige daw, Maribin. Maribin. Ha? Oh.
Panda!
Ay, sabi.
Panda!
Oh yeah, lots of plants. Smile. Na daw.
Nakita rin.
Ito po sa Mimi. Let's go to the camping.
Kan mo din si Muka. Let's check out the goat. Ay, sig panawig paduol diha. Oh, cute little goat. It's getting big very fast. Huh? Oh, unya.
Kaya kuha man siya.
Maribin is saying we're gonna catch frogs tonight. Yeah, it's getting so big.
Hindi ka pa, perminti mo doon.
Wow, I can't believe it's getting so big. Look how full they are. Very full. They're eating lots of grass. Oh, look at this one. So cute.
This is whitey.
Yeah?
Hindi ha, manigikan o gihikot ng lubi oh.
They're busy eating the wild.
Isa rin magihikot na kung ano. Paraan mo na kanal. Dir na
Hello, Coffee. Coffee, mani ang pangalan nanti, Coffee.
yan, ano pangalan?
Ay,
Maat no.
Uy, look at this goat.
Tanawin.
Tanaw sa milin.
Taon ng kuha. Talon. Talon.
Waman dito kita.
Kadako sa baki. Big frog.
Lo.
Catch it sa milin, catch it.
No.
Sige daw. Sige, dakpa.
No.
Catch it.
Ako,
No.
Ra.
We're walking in this rice field, guys, that they just harvested. Maribin have an idea. She has an idea that we're gonna catch frogs tonight, but I don't know.
We're not gonna get tired.
Depends how tired we get from walking all of this, all over the place.
Da.
I almost fell. Pahinay mo diha. Careful.
Ako dili ko pwede. Basta. We wind up here at our aunt's house. We keep walking around, and then we wind up walking at the back of their house. Awan
This is their-
ako gota sa antes.
Ato ang lubi ka bito.
Ay, lots of jackfruit oh. Daghana og bunga inihang jackfruit, ante oy. Ante, daghan kay bunga inyong pinya. Ay, pinya. Jackfruit.
Ito.
Look at that.
Malagi naman na postaan. Taldo ka to. Pundok ba? Yeah.
Unsa man na?
Lubi.
Oh. Some of them they wrap, but wow, I'm so impressed with all these jackfruits. A lot of them. Hinog na ni ante? Oh, this one here, they wrap. This one is big.
Buto dia. Ano tanong man na? Bahilom-hilom raw. Gawas. Manang oh. Yan kolore wow. Tara, nangilom.
Ay, naman na kaya ako. Our uncle, he actually went to our house earlier. Lami lagi ng bulak ante oh. I like this plant here from our aunt. Whenever I would say, oh, I like this. Oh, have it, get some. So that's I'm not gonna get. I don't wanna add more plants to my house because I have enough. Oh, look at this, guys. See, she's already saying that get some bananas to take home. Cool. Our Uncle Nori, he just feed the pigs or something. Oh, naunsa di kadiha ko ng lawg kag baboy?
Natog.
Ay, natog kadiha. Ay, look at oh. The plants oh.
Paputol ni ante.
Uy, kana? Wala, nindot lagi yung buwak ante. Look at her plants. Very nice. Uy, please, Kiray. Hi, Ray.
Ikaw mo to ba? Ako.
Ako lang, be. Our aunt is saying that get the banana so I can bring it home. Oh my gosh, I didn't even expect that. There's our auntie.
Bidyuhin daw siya. Bidyuhin daw siya. Why great gunit? Oh,
Ay,
ano
unsa?
siya? Bidyuhin daw. Why great gunit?
Unsa magkakago? He is bragging about he put the bucket on top of his head and he's not even holding it. Sige daw, rakaw daw diri kag di ba mahagbong. See if you can.
Kaging oh, kaging. Isip niya.
Unsa magkakago? Ako be. Ay, she wants me to cut ambi daw.
Sundang man. Okay lang sundang.
Ay, dito kay nagbuak si manang ubi.
But il.
Oh, kana oh.
Daghanan no magibin. Sa
Ha?
tarong ako ay sagna. Di ami bi. Hop, tama na. Sagna. Gisagang tali mo to. Tama ako sa til. Di wagi oh. Kaya ako rin makuha saging. Pa sa ni daan. Kini ba kini? Lapos na.
Uy, dili.
Pa. Pati dakpata. No?
Huwag na kayo na, pagdaan na.
Ay dili gid ante.
Thank you so much to our aunt for giving the banana.
Oy. Turang isa. Palapsi turang palapsi.
Ann! There's the kaprakna there. Annabelle.
Dito bot-bot.
Annabelle there. We have another aunt in here. Ante, salamat kayo ante ha.
Ayaw, ikuha na.
You see, I just stopped by in here. It's unexpected that we wind up walking from the back of their house and
Oy tura.
she give us banana.
Awaman mo tarunga.
Salamat kay ante ha. Kadiri, amo na puning ko ano.
Tama si auntie, masama si auntie na.
Our aunt here, let's check out what she's doing.
Hoy,
Uy. Manang! Naabot mo mi direk kalit. Nga dito may sa ilapilo naglaag. Oh wow, look at our aunt. Ay, she is cutting up the coconuts. Nag-harvest di kaglubi mo na? Ay, I like the walay but manang kani manang oh. Kani oh, this one has a like what you call it? But coconut flour. I don't know what you call it in English. I forgot. Ay, that one is very good. Lami na manang. Here's our aunt harvesting her coconut. Look at this, guys. Woo! Oh, this is really good. We check out, guys. So good. She's cutting another one, huh?
Uy! Raya sa karay!
So good. Nap na. There's another one, guys. Look at that. This is a little bigger. See, we can just have snack if we keep roaming around in the neighborhood. Ano man yung, ayan na.
Wala na.
Ikaw ra lagi diri man nang nagkuhan. This is a little bigger. Oh,
Kaungkong.
Gagmay na. Pilihan ang gagmay na. Pangita.
maribi.
Amis.
Nami.
Napay ba yan? Ito manang.
Karinang. Wala. Karinang. Yadto Marisa na.
Mayok ko manang.
This one probably, oh.
O ka na.
Ko manang.
This one. Hatag na sa milin ka.
Ay, ano sa si Jinshu, ani?
Ayan. Ayan kayo, daot ang hipon.
Aba. Wan ba kong grimpihan?
Yung hipon, bago na.
Ano? Karinang. Ha? Ayaw. Katura iya.
Dinis, Dinis.
Oh my gosh.
Kukulat, Dinis.
This is what Dennis likes, but I'm afraid for his teeth is gonna fall out.
Subayat naman ka kay Basil nagbitay.
Lots of coconut. Ay, this one. Kani ulami. This one looks good.
Langay-langay, Jinshu manang.
Ay. Hey, guys, look at this one.
Tamis Marisa.
Maribi. Oh.
Very sweet.
Very sweet.
Ha?
Cinco.
Hatag anabot mo
Ulan ka ay.
Ulan kayo manang.
Gani. Antol wa masud.
Kana kakiray naman lang.
Antol wa masud ditong galon na mo.
This is really good.
Nya, ningaging tubig.
Agi daw hindi ma dito ra. Pili diyan no.
Marisa.
Ni manang.
Bidyoin dul ba o dagang kay bunga.
Ko non.
Di man labot. That tree, yeah, you can make a pillow out of that. It's like a cotton. Cotton. Kani tamis, makibin si this one is very sweet.
Dinis, very good, Dinis. Very sweet.
Maribin trying to make you jealous.
Manang mo na tikuha.
Enay but-buto ko. Kani ko lo? Ha? Kami ko?
Kuyaw papayat manang ko gamay kay puno ang tudag ko kay bunga.
You don't include that thing inside anyway, this thing. You don't include it inside the when you sell it. Oh, this one, there's more here.
May papulang kabayas ba pahinga?
Dili man makuan man lang, makuha.
Tuyo ka ba?
It's really good, guys. You can when they don't have like nothing on top, like for example like this, that's like it's starting to grow. That's when you can. They have that. I forgot what's the English of the but. Kuan na unto. Kanay hatag na niya man lang. Really good food snack. Ay kapaya. Maribang keep eating that.
Very good.
Very good. Ay, our aunt here has a papaya. Very good. If I would just roam around here in all over this, because this is still this is our grandparents' land. Uy, oh, the papaya. Not much leaves. There's fruits in it. Good? Is it good? Ray. Kaon mo. Just have snacks here. Wala yung kanan mong tumbut-but. Ebe. Now guys, we just left at our other aunt's house because I got thirsty. I need my water. There's Annabelle's house there. And then this is her little office here. Hi, Ann. Niadto mo na mong nabunturan, Ann.
Paayo ko sa kuan.
Naulian na. Oh, she actually went to Nabunturan earlier to have her computer fixed. Unsa day? You cut your hair, Ann? Yes. Wow, very good, Ann. Now Annabelle looks like 12 years old. It makes her look younger that her hair is short. This is cute, very cute little office.
Karon na 5 minutes.
Ay, she has a work.
Puno ko kan pulibo ko kan di ko.
Ay, she is fully booked. Yeah, she can't go anywhere. She can't go anywhere in 5 minutes. She gonna start her job.
Alam mo, kay penalty ko ga BE ba mawi jud ko karon ng ugma.
Hala ka an. Taro ka na junaan. Kaya depende ra nina. Okay an, go ahead an. Good luck an.
Bye guys.
Kaprakno guys, follow their page, Kaprakno vlog.
Bye guys.
Good luck an. She has work to do.
Tuan na.
Uy, kog! Magkita!
She's teaching online.
An, ulit sa mi an.
Oh, tara. There's the banana. Ato na dalon ko no saging nang gikuan. Atong dalon.